just sharing with you a cleanup of a nice piece of fossilized wood that my favorite rockhound friend Joyce and I found in the Anza-Borrego Desert. So it's just pretty impressive. Let's see if we can get a nice close-up shot here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Now, when we picked this up, I just thought it was a rock, and then I looked closer, and it has some nice rings on the bottom that you can see. I put that little plastic rubber thing on there on the foot to make it stand up nicer, but yeah, you can begin to see the rings of the tree right there. So pretty cool. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit so you can get an idea what it looks like once it's cleaned up. It was really dirty before and I washed it, but I think we can do better. Now this weighs about 2 pounds, believe it or not. It's actually quite heavy. So let's go ahead and clean her up and see how it looks. Little Goo Gone seems to work really well, so I'm going to put that on there. Really brings out the shine and some of the details of the piece of petrified wood here. And when I show it to you in a moment, you're going to say, wow. Right, so rub that really nice. You can already begin to see the wood grain coming out on this piece of fossilized wood. Wow, look at that. Look at that. You can actually begin to see some of the colors actually coming out as well. That's really nice. There we go. Oh, look at that. And actually, you get some sort of subtlety in the browns once you clean it. See all of that? That's all the wood grain right there. Coming out nicely. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, nice. No idea how old this is, but it is quite impressive. Let's do a little bit better. In there. Really get it wet. Get in here into some of the spots, nooks and crannies. So there you go. Nice piece of fossilized wood or petrified wood. I hope you like that. Just gorgeous.